In this course, we will explore the 8 wastes of lean, from understanding what they are to how to spot them, how to categorize your waste to how to address them. This course is laser focused on waste. You will learn how to successfully map and analyze your processes, identifying where waste is and how to present this to great effect. And through a mix of logical lectures and practical demonstrations, this course will equip you with the ability to deliver leaner, more effective operations. My name is Robert Chapman, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I've been improving teams, processes, and businesses throughout my career. I'm a fully certified Lean Six Sigma Black Belt, and I've been delivering improvement projects for organizations of all sizes and in all sectors. And these projects have seen me saving companies thousands of dollars, thousands of hours, and deliver effective and efficient operations. This course will equip you with the knowledge and expertise of how to spot, tackle, and reduce the different types of waste that can plague organizational processes. You'll be tooled with an extensive range of options and opportunities, enabling you to tackle the different types of waste head on through a lean lens. The course will show you how to practically analyze your processes, giving you insight you need in order to make better, more informed decisions. And the skills and techniques you learn in this course will last a lifetime, shaping your mindset around waste and the avoidance of it. And through all of this, you'll be able to deliver leaner, more efficient and effective processes, cheaper, faster, and with better quality outputs. Whether you're a project manager, business owner, or company employee, this course is here to help with your own personal and professional development and that of your organization. And we've designed this course to ensure that it is open and accessible to all, built in a way that is easy to follow and understand. And with all of that said, I look forward to seeing you on the course.